variety of cabbage that is very well known in Asia. Is perhaps known as Chinese cabbage, or in Japanese, Hakusai. And have a look here. This variety that I selected is a 50 days growing up plant, so it grows very quickly. And I have already about 10 of them growing in the farm. Nevertheless, still we have another 2 months of growth period or sowing period, and therefore I'm gonna do another line of about 8 of them, and in that way we can have plants growing simultaneously at different times. So one will be ready in about a month, the other one in about 2 months, and the next line is going to be ready in about 3 months. Therefore, by the beginning of December, we could be picking the last of the cabbages. They can be kept at home, and then they can be processed and frozen. They can be pureed and have puree of cabbage. There's lots of little things that we can do about it. It's a good way to eat as a salad, and it has a very crunchy taste, and it's very much used in Japan on the soups when you cook pork stew with Chinese cabbage. So I'm just gonna do some of the planting and then get them ready to go to the field in about 2 to 3 weeks. The seeds are pretty round. All the cabbages have the same type of structure. They're really, really round and black. So I just will put 2 or 3 in each pot, and then cover them with a little bit of soil, put a little bit of water, and let them grow. And that's it. Here we have the next generation of Hakusai cabbage. We are working on having pretty cabbages this year. Cabbage is a really good vegetable to balance the bacteria of the intestine, and because we are in the middle of the coronavirus effects, the more vegetables you eat that work in the intestine and in the flora of the intestine, the better. So eating cabbage is a really lovely thing, and also is a very good weight regulator because it has a lot of fiber, and then it helps the body to release all the toxins. So here we got Hakusai, here we got the samphire that I showed you before. Then we have the broccoli, the Brussels sprouts, and the Italian cabbage. Hopefully you found it nice and easy. Don't be discouraged by the weather, just be practical. Get a sheet like this, put it on the floor, just relax and have a good sibling time. Nice and relaxed inside the comfort of home. See you soon.